In this video I'm going to make this Celtic cross. The backing plate I make up myself. I just have the pattern for the cross to start with, so stay tuned. I'll show you the pattern and the material I'm making it out of. This project, I got this pattern, and this is a piece of 3/8 walnut. I really like walnut. I got a bunch of it in a seconds package. It's pretty nice stuff. So I'm going to cut this out of that. I'm thinking about putting a backing plate on it, something oval shaped possibly, but I'll see about that when I get to that point. Right now I'm going to concentrate on mounting this, drilling it, and cutting it out, and then we'll see what kind of finishing up we'll do from there. There, I've got it mounted. Put the blue tape on, used some spray adhesive, stuck it on, and then I covered it with some clear tape as much to protect the pattern. I like to do that, keep from smudging it and tearing it up, pulling it up in places as you're cutting. And then I drilled the holes, entry holes for each of these interior cuts. So now I'm going to get it to the scroll saw and cut it up. Well, there's the finished product. I sealed it with some clear enamel. Kind of came up with that backing plate while I was trying to draw an oval. Like the way that looked. Instead of finishing out, I thought, well, I'll just leave it like that. I wanted it wider at the top than the bottom, and but then I was going to make it like a smooth oval all the way around. But when those two circles joined together, it seemed to look good in it, so I just left it like that and cut it out from the back side, glued it on there. I'm going to put a hanger on it to hang it on the wall, and other than that, it is finished. So that was not a hard cut, and it's a very nice effect when you get through with it. I'll probably do some more of this. I kind of like this Celtic stuff. I've done some other crosses before. So if you like that, hit the like button, and if you like to see this sort of thing, subscribe. I'm going to do a lot more different things. I got some new ideas coming up. But thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.